Hi, it's James here from Chapman Machinery, and today we're going to do a product walk around of the DT100 dump trailer. The DT100 is a 1-ton capacity tipping trailer designed with a half pipe shape and auto latching tailgate, perfect for moving aggregates, muck, whatever you need to shift. As part of the same family, we also have the FT100, the video you can see on our website, and that is a flatbed version, so ideal for moving hay bales or whatever you may need to move where you've got to manually load and unload. The drop sides that you can remove on that one and the flat loading bed are perfect for that sort of application. So what we'll do, as per our normal videos, we'll start at the front of the machine, we'll work around, look at some of the features and why this is a great machine for you to purchase. So starting at the front, as with all of our stuff, you've got a swivel hitch, allows the machine to tow along nicely, and it's a security feature, safety feature, sorry, in the event of rollover of the vehicle or the trailer itself. Drawbar on these, as with the rest of the machine, is really heavy duty construction, all fully galvanized, and it comes with a jockey wheel for loading, hitching and unhitching. The body and the chassis are all, again, heavy duty construction and fully galvanized. Really heavy steel used throughout the whole machine. So moving around to the back and inside of the body itself, as you can see, it's got a half pipe shape, so it means whatever you're putting in there, whether it's muck, whether it's stone, it slides out of there really nice and easily. You don't get any issues with it stuck in the corners. Tailgate on the back here comes with our auto latching mechanism, which you can see with these clevises under here. As the body drops down, they close and hold the tailgate securely. As you're tipping, they release, allowing the contents to drop out without you having to get off the towing vehicle at all. All with grease points on there to ensure smooth and easy operation. At the side of the machine, you can see the heavy duty mud guards we've got fitted on here, really heavy duty steel with stiffeners, so they're designed to take the knocks and abuse that they may get during use. The wheels are 22 by 11 by 8, so a really decent size, and it's our standard twin axle system which we use across a number of machines, so it's really tried and tested. Tows brilliantly over rough terrain and also gives you a good ground pressure as well due to the size of the tyres. So I'll go back round to the front, just lift the bed up to show some of the features inside the machine itself. So operation is really simple. You've got a control box with a magnetic as well, up and down, obviously to raise or lower. So this is a 1-ton capacity hydraulically powered machine. Within the body itself, we've removed the cover here just so we can show you this nice and easily. Within the machine itself, you've got a hydraulic power pack and battery, so it's a fully self-contained system. The only thing you need to do when you hitch it up to the vehicle is pop that somewhere safely where the operator can reach it. So as you can see, really heavy duty chassis on these, heavy duty reinforced frame on the bed itself with stiffeners, and that all protects the power pack, which is self-contained, oil reservoir there and your battery there. You've also got an external charging port just here, so when the battery does start to get flat, you can easily plug it in and charge it without having to take off any covers or any hassle like that. Another great feature on this machine, and I'll just move around to back to show you, is the tailgate. Now we've got the auto latching tailgate mechanism, but when you raise the body they unlock, and it means you can remove the tailgate really quickly and easily if you've got some longer items that you need to transport, for example fence posts. So it's a couple of R clips and a couple of pins you pull out, and then the tailgate itself just comes away as quickly as that. So just to recap, the DT100, 1-ton tipping capacity, fully galvanized. It's a completely self-contained unit with a hydraulic power pack on board.
We hope you found that video informative. Please feel free to like or share with any friends or colleagues. We regularly add new videos relating to our products, and these can consist of action, product overview and how-to videos. To receive these in the future, please subscribe to our channel. For more information on this video, either give the office a call or visit the website, links below. My name's Keith Douglas from Fresh Group Products Limited, and our main contact number is 0333 880 6654. Thanks very much for watching.